This is the IDE cutting head. Today we're going to remove it, disassemble it, inspect it, and rebuild it. You need a 1 1/8 inch wrench, an 11/16 wrench. This is left-handed threads. To remove the focusing tube, loosen the retaining nut. Slide it off. The focusing tube has a collet on it that holds the focusing tube in position. The body has the orifice mounted inside of it. It is a consumable item. You cannot remove the orifice. The wear insert is built into the body. It also is not removable. When it gets worn, you replace the whole unit as an assembly. The handle has a O-ring on it. Inspect it, replace it if necessary. Thread it in. To replace the focusing tube, remove the collet. Install a new focusing tube. Slide the retaining nut over the collet and the focusing tube. Position it in there. Make sure that the focusing tube bottoms out on the wear insert. Push the collet up. Thread the retaining nut back on and tighten down. To install it back on the nozzle tube, use some goop on the threads of the nozzle tube. Thread it back on. When tightening, use a 1 1/8 inch crow's foot and back it up with 11/16 wrench and torque it to 35 to 40 foot-pounds. If water is leaking out of this weep hole here, that means the nozzle tube and the body is not tight enough and you're going to get leakage. Now we're going to show you what the IDE head looks like with the abrasive going through it, through the cutting head.